Good day, everybody. So our topic for today is all about how to download a ChatGPT on Android. OpenAI Chat doesn't have an official ChatGPT app. So what we're gonna do? Here, as you can see, you don't have to go to the App Store or Play Store. Just click the Chrome and type OpenAI, and you're gonna see, just scroll a little bit and you're gonna see the OpenAI. You're gonna click it, and you will proceed in this home page. So here, just scroll down and then find the Chat GPT, and then you're gonna click it, and then after clicking it, click the Try Chat GPT. Here, as you can see, I already logged in my Gmail account, so just log in your Gmail account or sign up. And then after proceeding in this homepage, you're gonna click the three dots in the right side. And then here, you can see the add to home screen. You're gonna tap it. And then here, just remove the new chat and then change it to Chat GPT. And then you're just gonna click add and then just click the add again. And there you go. It's already done. And I hope this video helped you to download the Chat GPT on your home screen. And don't forget to leave a like and share this video and subscribe. Peace out.